Well, hey everyone, welcome to Throttle Power. Quick shop update, a lot of cool things coming out from round two. Show you some models I picked up and some models I won and some t-shirts I got from some cool car shows. Let's start off with some t-shirts. We got this at the Tri-5 Nationals. When you live in Kentucky, I think it's all about the bourbon. This comes from this cool car that you see now on the screen.
Centrifugally supercharged Vortec Hemi in it. Makes about 3,500 horsepower. We do a lot of street outlaws, no prep kings, and racing on the street with it. I was going to just cool. It's a neat car. I like
show. That Tri-5 Nationals was a blast. Cool shirt. And I went to the Frog Follies. Frog Follies has the neatest shirts for probably the cheapest price at any car show. They're always double-sided. Cool shirts at the Frog Follies. Got another one. Love the Frog Follies show. That show's in Evansville, Indiana every year. End of August. Put on by the Evil Iron Car Club. And they get about 4,000 street rods, pre-49 show. And another cool show, Hoodlums in the Holler. This was a neat little t-shirt. Cool car show too. Just sponsors on the back. Dent Side Model Garage. Gerald has this Facebook page. He doesn't have a YouTube channel. He's only on Facebook. Here's his Facebook page. And Gerald's a great builder. Anyone can come over and follow his page and follow his builds. Cool Facebook page to check out. And a kit I won from David Chin. I like this kit, David. It's pretty cool. In fact, I've already started it. I got some cool plans for this. And this is David's channel. David's got a neat channel. David's a great builder. I recommend you go over to David's channel and check him out. Another cool kit. Got this from Mike. Mike had a subscriber giveaway. I won this a month or so ago from Mr. Doozit Model Car Builder. And Mike's a great builder too. Mike does a lot of stuff where he opens up doors and things. It's a very good channel. You might want to check it out also. But thank you very much, Mike. I got some neat plans for this. I've already built one. And I've been wanting another one because I'm kind of thinking about slamming it and maybe putting on a cow hood or something, and really kind of some neat plans with this thing sitting in the weeds down real low, if you know what I mean. Mr. Doozit Model Car Builder. Thanks, Mike. Got a shop card from Vic's Miniatures. Vic's got a really cool channel. He builds a lot of cool stuff, a lot of figures, cars, you name it, he builds it all. That's a neat channel also to check out. Some stash ads. Look at this bad boy. I've been waiting on this thing, and they're going to start coming out with these beer trucks, and I'm going to get them all and build them all too. Love this Miller truck. This is cool. Picked this up from my local hobby shop, Scale Reproductions. Great hobby shop. And I even got the trailer to go with it. Very cool. Got this at the hobby shop also. And I plan on building these this winter and weathering the heck out of them. And speaking of weathering, I am working on a weathering series. And it's being broke down into numerous videos, probably 8, 9, 10 videos. I'm breaking it down in every single possible way you can weather a vehicle. So out of that whole entire series that I'm putting together, there's going to be stuff in there you'll like, stuff in there you'll find easy. You pick your own type of weathering way and you can weather something. It's going to be really cool. Another neat thing that's coming out from round two is this Garwood trash truck. I think everyone's probably seen it or heard of it. It's been in the works for many, many, many years. What's cool about this here trash truck, it's got all brand new frame rails. It's got all brand new 5-hole bud wheels that's never been produced in the trucks for the truck guys. And it's got a cool D-shaped gas tank that's all brand new too. Very cool trash truck. That's going to be on the C-Series Ford truck, as you see. And that's due to come out the first quarter of next year. Also from round 2, you got a Bruce Larson 74 Vega, 65 Bonneville, the 64 442 Cutlass, 66 Fairlane, and the Sandcat. And all those are due out here anytime, probably here in September or something. So that's the update. Like and subscribe. A lot of cool videos coming up, guys. We'll see you on the next video on Throttle Power.